There once was a dream that was wrong. You could only whisper it. Anything more than a whisper, and it would vanish. It was so fragile. So said Marcus Aurelius, played by Richard Harris in the movie Gladiator. But here we are a couple of thousand years later, and Rome still stands, the eternal city, a marvel for any visitor and one of the jewels of the globe. My name is Russell Crowe, and I am a former general who became a slave, who became a gladiator, but that was a long time ago. And now I'm simply honored to be talking to you as the Ambasciatore di Roma nel Mondo, the ambassador for Rome in the world. I'm very sorry I can't be with you, as I'm currently on tour with my band, and I'm soon to be on stage within the legendary Cinecittà Studios in Rome for a concert there on June 25th. It's going to be magical, because Rome always is. Rome is not just the capital city of Italy. It is one of the great capital cities of the world, a place of and for everyone, a city that has always opened its arms to all of humanity. Rome Expo 2030, we are ready. At my signal, unleash humanity.